Want to instantly connect with your customers the second they need you? Today, we're diving into how to trigger calls using the Retell platform, taking control of your customer communication and boosting satisfaction. First, log into your Retell account and navigate to the workflow section. Think of workflows like automated pathways that tell Retell what to do and when. Click Create New Workflow. You'll need to define the action that will initiate the call. These could be anything from a form submission, specific email keywords detected, or an action within your CRM. Depending on your setup, choose the trigger that fits your use case best. Let's say we want to connect when a support form is submitted, so we select that trigger and click Proceed. Next, you'll configure the call details. You have to specify the contact information, like the customer's phone number. You can also add notes that are visible to your agents. For context, this is also where you assign a caller ID for your outgoing calls. Ensure these details are accurate for smooth communication. Now, you should customize what happens when the call begins. You can design call flows to guide conversations with a bot, providing immediate assistance while an agent becomes available. Retell allows you to personalize the customer experience and quickly analyze the customer's needs. Double-check your workflow setup, making sure that everything is correct, and click on Activate or the Save to make it live. Once your workflow is live, Retell will instantly trigger a call based on the events you defined, instantly improving customer interactions. Monitor your dashboards to see the impact on call volume and response times. You're now well on your way to achieving a more responsive customer interaction strategy, leading to a more satisfied customer base.